What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes, heading on my first service call of the day. We have a plumbing service call. I am training 2 new plumbing techs in the company this week. One just started today. So we're going to run some plumbing service calls this week, as well as the HVAC calls. This first service call right down the block in Cedarhurst, we are taking out a 3-handle Grohe shower body and putting in a single 1-handle lever shower body, the Moen Posi-Temp shower body with the trim and the remodel plate, the makeup plate, taking that 3-handle, making it 1. I'm going to show you step by step how we get it done. Let's go. All right, folks, here is that shower body. Diverter in the middle, tub spout, and we are fortunate with access behind the wall here. Let me get the bucket, empty bucket, so I can put garbage in it, please. How the hell did that even stay on? How did it stay on here? I guess we'll get that off. All right. We're going to cut open the wall. Wish me luck, folks. Wish me luck. See, not too shabby. All right, let's take a look on the other side of this wall. All right, here's the other side of the wall. So, ideally, we sweat this elbow out, put a new elbow on here, a short piece of pipe, connect to our shower body. We sweat out this. We cut this, sweat this out, and this is our top of our shower body, hopefully, or coupling, and extend that down a little bit and center our, see how it's off a little bit? There's the center of the drain, and we are about 3/4 of an inch to the left of the trip lever assembly. Interesting. Maybe we can center that, but I don't know if it'll throw off our goof plate, remodel plate. And then here, we'll cut and go there. So let's see what we're gonna do. Let me get the automatic tubing cutter. It's on the floor over there. We'll cut here, and then we'll try to take this out. We'll see what happens here. May have to get the saws. I'll just cut this bad boy out with brute force. All right, I cut the 2 1/2-inch brass nipples coming out of the left and right. Hot and cold water going to the shower body. We're gonna get a drill and a Phillip bit, take this out, sweat that out, put a 90 there with a piece of 1/2-inch copper. We'll do the same there. And that way we'll maintain our level on the height elevation of the tub. All right, we sweat on a 1/2-inch copper 90, copper street 90. I had no couplings in the truck and sweat, so we pressed our shower head riser and the cold water going to the shower body. Tavon is figuring out how to use it. I'm going to show him again. Here, you hold the camera. All right, it's already recording. All right, I'm going to show you how to do this real easy. Okay, number 1, make sure it's always like that. Right. See this little lever? Okay, that makes it go spinny. That makes it reset. Okay? Watch this. I'm going to put the pipe and let it back out a little bit. Okay. So let it back out a little bit. And then I'm going to hit the lever down, and then it'll spin. See? Good?
Perfect.
Hey, learn something new every day. All right. Now, we are going to sweat in the 1/2-inch copper nipple going to the shower elbow. I'm sorry, the tub spout. Cool? All right. You carefully hold that, and I'm going to sweat. All right. Let's see what happens when you turn the water on. I already had one leak, keeping it real. Bottom of my 3/4 inch copper 90 going into the shower body. Sorry, the street 90 going into the shower body. Let's see what happens. All right, let's go see. Looks like I got my leak resolved. Excellent. Not too shabby. All right, 5 after 10. The job is complete. I threw in some Pheno Seal, clear Pheno Seal on the top and on the tub spout. We're looking excellent. If you need a plumber, you live in the 5 towns or anywhere on Long Island, to convert your leaky 3-handle to code compliant single handle, also much easier to use. Give us a call, 516-348-6300.
That's only like someone's teasing with me. That's.
So you like it?
I love it.
Excellent. No tile work.
I know.
We utilized the closet behind. You know, we had to move some of the straps around, but...
and you did it on the 18th.
Yes. Yes. Hi. There you go.
That's right.
So
you got to grab it wherever you can get it from. I'm a firm believer in that.
Yeah.
When it works.
I noticed that the shower head had very little water coming out of it.
Oh, I have it on a saver.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I enabled more water to it.
Oh, okay, that's fine. But I have it on the last thing because it was dripping so much. I didn't want it dripping more. I tried everything I could. I would empty out the bath thing, collect the wood. I told you it was like a full-time job.
So I did put some clear silicone around the top plate and around the tub spout. So like I said, a few hours for the dry, or this evening if you want to use it, it's fine.
Yeah.
Just
I can go
keep
to
that in
my
mind.
mom's and take a shower.
And you know, to divert the water to the top, you pull up the lever on the tub spout.
Right.
You know, a nice once it's open, you know, once you turn the water on, a nice firm upward motion. It'll lock in place, and when
that'll be the tub.
Yeah, and that'll be for the shower head. No.
Oh.
That'll be for the shower head, and when you're done, just turn the water off, and it'll pop back down.
Oh. Okay.
I can show you now.
We'll do that.
So there's that. Put that there, and then we pull up on that.
Yeah. Okay.
And there you go. So when you turn the water off, I didn't want that to happen. But it goes back down automatically.
Okay.
All right.
It does?
Well, it did. That went back down.
Oh, so that's just the residual.
Yeah, the residual in the standpipe going to the shower.
Okay. Well, if for some reason I have a senior moment and I can't figure it out,
you'll be all right. You're one of us in your home.
I know.